Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's been a while. I am Nikki. I'm so glad that you're here with me today. First of all, I just want to say thank you for all the support that I've had in my last video, my last Stitch Fix video. I have gotten so many new subscribers from it. I've gotten a lot of views on it, and I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Once I reach 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. You know, just a small one since I am a small channel, but I just wanted to say thank you. It really means so much to me every time I open up the YouTube app and I see more subscribers and just a ton of views. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, I'm in a new location. I have my whole family with me today, so I don't know if this is going to be my final location for this video or what, but I have my kids here who are supposed to be at school, but due to the poor air quality due to a fire nearby and some of the reopening plans, you have to have fresh air inside the classrooms. They canceled the first day of school. So 2020 just keeps on rolling. So I'm just gonna keep trying to roll with it, but I have a little escape here because the other day, actually not the other day, last night, I got my latest Boxycharm and I realized, why don't I do my unboxings with you guys? I do unboxings pretty much for everything else, so why don't I do it for Boxycharm? So I thought that I would bring that to you. And then also yesterday, I did just a small little shopping trip to good old Sephora. So I got some black and white bags and boxes here for you. So I thought that I would share it with you. So how about I start with the Sephora haul and then I will go into the Boxycharm. And I hope that this gives you a little escape like it does for me. Okay, let's go into this bag. I only bought 3 things at Sephora, and it was kind of like a spur of the moment kind of visit, so it wasn't anything planned, but I did pick up 3 items. The first thing is the Benefit Precisely My Eyebrow Pencil. I got it in the shade 3.5 Neutral Medium Brown, and I really like this because I really love the goof-proof eyebrow pencil that Benefit has, but okay, sometimes I like something that just has more of a precise tip. I use those when I'm not trying to do something super dramatic with my brows. Right now I do have the goof proof on and it does an amazing job, but Benefit they kill it at the brow game. So this is what it looks like, the packaging here. And this side has a little eyebrow spoolie. I don't know if you can see that here. And then this is the thin tip here. And I will show you just what the color is once I get the wax, the initial wax thing off. I don't know if you can see, but it gives a very light, that was me pressing kind of harder, but I just do very light hair-like strokes through, and it just does a really great job at just giving a light fill-in of my brows. So this is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. And I believe this is $24 over at Sephora. If you want a dupe for this, if you go to Ulta Beauty, their Slim Brow Pencil, you get slightly less product, but it's a great dupe. All right, the next item is from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Sleeping Mask. I got a mini of this actually as part of a Boxycharm pop-up or add-ons. So I've been trying it. I usually have been doing it about twice a week before I go to bed. And even though I have oily skin, I do need some hydration to it because the more dry out your skin can be, if you use too much drying products, you can be prone to more breakouts. So I started trying this and I absolutely love this. This is like a, like if you are just parched and you go to 7-Eleven and you get a big gulp, that is the equivalent of this for skincare. And I just really love it. It smells really great. And it says it gives glowing radiance and softening. I don't know if I get a lot of radiance on it, but my skin does feel really soft in the morning after I wash it off. And it has AHA and hyaluronic acid. And this is a 2.7 fluid ounce. And this is not cheap. I want to say this is about 60 something dollars. Let me go find out. Okay, I have my receipt here from Sephora. This is normally $45, so better than I thought. I thought it was 60 plus, but this is $45. And just so you know, they had a special going on at Sephora for their Beauty Insiders. And if you spent $100, you got $20 off your purchase. So with taking $7.89 off, I paid $37.11 for this item, and I'll open it up so you can see it. So this is the full-size product. Oops, I just dropped my box. It comes in a great, really sturdy glass bottle. It does come out very gel-like, so it's not creamy at all. It's very gel-like. It's really great for, I would say any skin type, but especially probably normal to oily type of skin. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Okay, and the last item is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. You guys, I love this stuff. I will never stop loving this stuff. It's overpriced, I'm not gonna lie. And I use it all the time because it smells like heaven. So this is the huge container of it. I believe this is $45 also. Let me check here. Yes, $45. You can get the smaller one for $20 if you just want to try it out. It is such a great cream. And oh my gosh, this smells like a gourmand bakery, but beachy, like everything that you want in a beach and sweet, yummy scent is what you're gonna find in this container. It says infused with all-powerful guarana extract, and it says that it helps with, it says fast absorbing body cream helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin. I don't really see that it really does any tightening of my skin personally. I just love the way that it smells. I love putting this on, you know, after I'm done doing my face routine and after my makeup. I like to put it on just before I leave the house, or right before I go to bed. I like to put it on my feet and on my hands. It just smells like heaven. So I will keep repurchasing this as long as they keep making it smell good and it doesn't dry out my skin. So really love this Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It also comes in a perfume. I think they also have like a tanning spray or oil or something like that. So they have a whole line. Okay, let's get into the Boxycharm. I did take off the tape on this. I haven't gone through any of the products yet. I have been a Boxycharm customer for 3 years now, over 3 years, 3.5 years. And it's normally, I wanna say, is it $23 a month? They've recently raised the price, but I actually get charged every 3 months, so I have a little bit of a discount. But so I usually get it for $21. But for the base product, you usually get over $100 worth of value out of the products in there. You can get anything from mainly makeup to some skincare, some hair care, and they're all usually higher end products. I have found that it's usually very much worth the money. I have just gotten to where I've gotten like 3 years worth of boxes. So some of this stuff is getting kind of tired for me. Like, I don't know how many more eyeshadow palettes I actually really need because I have a lot. I also subscribe to the Boxy Luxe, which I'll show you next month. That has a lot of more, it's supposed to be more of like a luxury line. You get 8 to 9 products. You usually get about 4 to 5 in here. Yeah, I think you get 9 or more, I think, with the Luxe, if I'm not mistaken. But it does cost extra, but I'll go through that next time. But if you are interested in trying Boxycharm, I will leave a link down below if you'd like to give it a try. But overall, I would say Boxycharm is a great value. It's really great also if you are looking to try different brands, or if you're kind of new to the makeup game and you want to try a bunch of different type of products, but don't want to spend all that money on trying the different stuff from Ulta or Sephora. Boxycharm is a great way to do that. Okay, so I'm going to open up here. They usually put a card on the top. It looks like this is what it is, and they'll also have, sorry, they'll have a list of the items and what they retail for. So let's go through it. So everything is in here. It looks like I do have an eyeshadow palette. Let's go through everything. Okay, so I do have an eyeshadow palette. This is the Violet Voss Essential 2 Pro Series palette, eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. I do have the Essentials 1 from Boxycharm as well. To be honest, unless this is like the best eyeshadow palette on the planet, I might actually gift this to someone because I have so many palettes, like so many. And with the pandemic going on, I'm not really wearing too much eyeshadow lately. So I'll probably give this away, but ooh, these are really pretty colors though. Give you guys a little peek in here. These colors are really pretty. So there are some mattes, some shimmers here. Doesn't look like any glitters, but that's fine. This is a really pretty palette. So if I didn't already have a zillion palettes, this would be something that I would really, really like and appreciate, but I'm probably gonna gift this. Boxycharm says, these 10 eyeshadow pans of pure bliss provide all the everyday hues you need to create your go-to soft glam, as well as vivid pops of color to liven up your look. And this retails for $36. Okay, next item I pulled out is from Clarins Paris. This is Velvet Lip Perfector. I've never used this brand before. It's in the color 04 Velvet Raspberry. It looks like this is gonna be a color that's right up my alley. And it says velvety matte color, good hold, blur effect and smooth lips, creamy light or ultra light creamy texture and extreme comfort. Oh, this is not what I expected. I thought it would be more like a wand. Let's check it out. Okay, so it has this velvet tip applicator, which is really weird. It does have kind of like a fruity smell, so let's, oop, you can see I am lifting it and I'm getting some color out of it. Let's see. So that is just a quick swipe of it. I don't know if you could see that. It is a more of like a plum color than I would say a raspberry. I honestly thought this was going to be super bright, but it looks like this might be a really nice fall color. I don't smell the fruit anymore, so maybe it was just my imagination, but we'll see how this goes. This is the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. Have you used this brand before? Let me know in the comments down below what your experience has been if you have. But this is in Velvet Raspberry. Okay, this next item I actually chose, so you do have the option sometimes with Boxycharm that you can choose a product, like they give you an option of one or the other to put into your box. And I chose the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I've been really wanting to try this. I've heard really good things about it. And ooh, this might be kind of light for me. The hard part is trying to pick a color on their website without really seeing it in person. So this is in Golden Beige. I am super tan right now for me. I don't know if I look like it on camera, but let's see. This is the applicator. Ooh, it actually looks like it might be a good color. So this is the applicator. Really nice and big. Let's swipe it. I have a lot of swipes on my hand here. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. It says Conceal, Contour, Highlight, and Retouch. This is that. I just put a small, so it looks like a very small amount will go a long way. It is very creamy. Let me see when I rub it in. Oh, I'm putting it over that light eyebrow pencil mark on, and I don't know if you can see, but it's gone. So it looks like full coverage. It looks like it gives kind of like a matte finish afterwards. I'm really excited to try this product, this Born This Way Too Faced concealer, or Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It looks like it's going to be a great color for me too. I guess I did pick the right color. Super excited. As long as it doesn't crease terribly underneath my eyes, this might be a great going out full coverage concealer. So, and it does say super coverage on the bottom. So if you're looking for something that just really corrects a lot of either blemishes or under eye circles, this might be something that's right up your alley. Oh, I didn't talk about the price on this or the other one. So this Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer retails for $29. And that Lip Perfector retails for $26. Okay, 2 more products. This is RealHer I Am Inspiring Definer Brow Pencil. So here is the packaging. I've never heard of RealHer, but it says certified cruelty-free, which is wonderful. This is waterproof. It's a vegan formula. Let's see, it doesn't say a color, but maybe it's like a universal color. So here is the packaging. I haven't opened it yet. Let's see, just very sleek. Ooh. There goes more stuff. I'm just dropping things left and right over here. Look at that nice tiny tip. Ooh, that is pigmented. I barely touched my hand, and look at that. So I really recommend, this is a nice brunette color. I would say medium coloring here, right there. And so I really recommend, if you grab this, doing very light-handed strokes because it is so pigmented. You don't want to end up looking like you literally have caterpillars on you. But I'm so excited to try this. I'm going to try this before I use my Benefit pencil, actually. So I will let you know if I like this. And I do need to tell you what the price is for this. For this brow pencil, this retails for $16, and it does say this long-lasting micro tip pencil allows you to create individual-like hairs for a subtle or bold brow look. Its creamy wax-based formulation glides beautifully and naturally on skin, and it's waterproof. I'm excited. Okay, the last product is from Mine. It says MineTanBodySkin. This is Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. Well, I was looking for a nighttime serum. I'm excited. Triple action hyaluronic acid for all skin types, hydrate and restore. This is the bottle here. I don't know if the light from the outside is causing a where you can't see that, but this is 2 ounces of product, and it just says apply face serum on clean skin before your moisturizer. Use several drops, smoothen gently all over face and throat. I am excited to try this. And this retails for, it says MineTanBodySkin Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. This retails for $44.95. I love serums. I especially like one that I can use during the day, and then one that I can use during the night. So I'm excited to try this out, and I will let you guys know what I think about this. Okay, well, that was everything. Like I said, I got that for $21, and it retailed for about $152 total. So great value. I'm actually really happy with this box, except for really the eyeshadow palette. But if I was someone that didn't have probably 18 palettes already, this would have been 5 out of 5. So great products from Boxycharm. Again, if you're interested, I'll leave a link down below. And also, if you liked this video, will you give it a thumbs up before you leave? And also subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Do you subscribe to Boxycharm, or is it something that interests you? Let me know in the comments down below. If you've tried any of these products, I'd also like to know what you think of them. Did you like them? Did you not? Leave me a comment down below. All right. That's it for today. I really appreciate you sticking with me today. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again with a video on later on this week. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.